Well, open practice is wrapping up now. We just finished up our last lap. Car's doing good. It's spicy. There's Human. He is also doing well. He's made.
Is this live?
Yes. It's live to me and you right now. You're on TV right now. It's amazing.
I'm nervous. I don't know what to say.
You're doing great, buddy. Official practice, and the wall claimed another one, unfortunately. Eerily enough, it looked very similar to my crash here in 2021, but figured I'd give you guys an update. We've done one lap of practice so far. There's the old girl and Human and Midget with her spot and stuff. Yep. So yeah, so they just got the car off, and I think things are generally getting ready to get back going, so I'm gonna get in the car. But
powered, about 450 horsepower, 406 foot-pounds of torque. Utilizing Kenda tires, sponsored by Fortune Auto, Koenig wheels, race treads, comp cams, just to name a few. As Elliott makes his way down the straight, seemed like he wasn't going as fast as he probably could have. Kind of seemed like he was babying it down the straight, so maybe just getting a feel for the course, utilizing his first qualifying run. It's kind of a warm-up. Looking smooth though, I'll tell you that. Looking pretty dialed in. Playing getting deep into the second outer zone. Now flicking that car sideways as he makes his way through that third and final zone. Jacob said he started drifting back in 2014, so he's definitely an old school drifter from back in the day coming out here. So he needs money for transmission upgrade, more power. Utilizing Holley fuel pressure regulator. LS availability. I want to make sure everybody knows that we lose 22 veterans a day to suicide. He goes, if you know a veteran, check on them. If you are a veteran, reach out and check on your battle buddies. The struggle is real. All veterans. Take care of us. All right, Jacob Elliott out there doing much better through that first outside zone. Looking good, looking dialed. Definitely taking that first. Oh, you got taillight hanging there. That's all right. As he makes his way through that second hour zone, a little shallow. Taillights hanging on for dear life. I don't know whoever did that wiring. You might want to reach out to him because it looks pretty solid. It's able to hold on to that. As he makes his way off the course, give it up for Jacob Elliott and his taillight. That thing still works. Very impressive. Most impressive. About 3 years. So let's see how he does in this competition. Said he wants to push himself harder and harder, and there's no better place to push yourself than LS Fest East, as we have a stacked list of drivers coming here this year to battle team. Of course, as I mentioned before, all eyes are on Jonathan Narron, winning the last 2 years in a row, back to back. Can you make it 3 in a row? I do believe have Grant Anderson. Grant Anderson did that red BMW. He will lead. And Elliott will give chase. Jacob Elliott from Clarksville, Tennessee, in that Nissan 240SX. Grant Anderson, that BMW E36. About 400 horsepower, utilizing those Accelera tires. Try to pave his way to victory. All right, here we go. Grant Anderson out front. Wow, Grant Anderson really putting a gap between him and Elliott as Grant Anderson attacks that first outside zone. Wow, really using a lot of angle there. Coming out of that first outside zone, a little shallow, allowing Elliott to get back up in the pocket as they attack that second outside zone. Grant Anderson doing an awesome job filling out that second outside zone. Elliott running very shallow line. Try to close that proximity. We want to see these cars side by side as they make their way off the course. Give it up for Grant Anderson and Elliott as they make their way off the course. Jacob Elliott from Clarksville, Tennessee. out here. You can find them on social media at JE_Drift160. Jacob wanted to make sure we let everybody know that we lose 22 veterans a day to suicide. If you know a veteran, check on them. If you are a veteran, reach out and check on your battle buddy. Very important. Support our vets. They take care of us so we can have a beautiful day of racing just like this. All right, Elliott out front. Grant Anderson in the chase position. Grant Anderson almost on the back bumper of Elliott as they initiate through that first outside zone. Grant Anderson trying to apply that pressure as they make their way through that first outside zone. Both cars about to transition. Nice smooth transition. Grant Anderson diving in for the attack once again as Elliott's doing whatever he can to put the car where it needs to be, running a nice wide line. Both drivers making that transition. Elliott out front in that gray Nissan 240SX. And Grant Anderson in that red BMW E36. All right, I'm getting word Grant Anderson in that red BMW E36 gets the win, and he will advance on to tonight's top 16 competition. Grant Anderson, sponsored by Valvoline, Tire Streets, and G-Technique.
Well, we went out for a top 32 battle against Grant Anderson, and we fought hard. We held our own. I think I just had to make too many sacrifices in the chase, I think was the biggest detriment. My lead run was probably the best lead lap I had all weekend, so I feel really good about that. It was a good, clean, straight-up battle. Props to Grant. He's a phenomenal driver, and I had a blast battling him, and hopefully we'll get to do it again in the future. But yeah. There she is in one piece. Apparently, last night during qualifying, I did exactly what I needed to do, and I booped the wall on entry on initiation and knocked my taillight out. So I was just letting a taillight dangle through my whole qualifying lap, so that was pretty cool. At least it looked good, right? Probably. I don't know. But yeah, so Human's in the top 16, so we're gonna go take this old girl back to the pit and root for our buddy Human. So y'all have fun. We'll check in with you later.
3 days later.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.